friends, today we're going to draw a ghost stack.
Yeah, we're gonna do another folding surprise. Are you excited?
Yes.
We hope you're gonna follow along with us. If we ever go too fast, they can do what?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you can pause the video. Now for this lesson, you need a black marker,
Yes.
some paper,
And some coloring supplies.
Yeah, something to color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
The first thing we need to do is fold our paper. And we always do this with our folding surprise projects. We're gonna take the top edge and fold it down to the bottom edge, line it up, hold it down, and then you can run your fingers right down the middle and then out to the sides. Oh, you did it. I'll help you. You're really close. There you go. Right down the middle.
And
then,
go.
then we're gonna take the top flap and we're gonna fold it back up to the middle or the top of our paper. Like that, right down the middle and out to the edges. Good job right there. Down the middle. You did it. We need some extra paper to put underneath so that when we draw with our marker, it doesn't soak through and get onto our table. And we're using a red piece of paper so that our art friends can see the white paper better, but you can use any type of scrap paper. We're gonna use our markers next, and we're gonna draw our first ghost. So we're gonna draw his face above the middle fold. So let's draw 2 circles first. About that size and about that distance apart from each other. Good. And you can leave a little space. Draw your other face or other eye over here.
Other face over
Other
here.
face. Then we're gonna draw another circle inside for the mouth, and I'm gonna draw more of an oval shape. Yeah, so he looks scared. Then we're gonna color in all of these shapes. Now we're gonna draw the top of our ghost head. We're gonna draw a big rainbow line, upside down U shape over the top of his head. This upside down U was above the fold. Pretty easy. Now we're going to draw the bottom of our ghost. We're going to draw it curving off to the left. So we're going to curve down here too. Yeah. That makes it look like he's kind of floating off to the side.
He's big.
Yeah, I like him. Then we're going to use a wavy line or an S line to draw the bottom of our ghost's body. There we go. Wavy line all the way over. We did it. We finished our first ghost, but we're not done, right?
Yes.
We need to unfold our folding surprise. And we've got this big open space. Now you guys could actually use your creativity to draw whatever you want in here. We're gonna have a lot of fun though. We're gonna draw a pumpkin and some bats and more ghosts. So let's first draw the bottom ghost. We're gonna finish him. So we're gonna draw a circle, another circle, and we wanna make sure that we're above his body lines right here. So we don't wanna be below it because when we fold it up, we want it to be behind the fold. So now we're gonna draw another one right here, over here for his right eye. And then this one I'm gonna draw is happy. Let me just draw a happy smile. And then let's color in his eyes again. And I like what you did with your mouth. I'm gonna do that same thing. I'm gonna draw it open, but I wanna make sure that his mouth is also above these lines. We wanna make sure we don't go below it so that it's covered up. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now let's finish the top of his head. We're gonna draw an upside down U to draw and connect the 2 lines. Now I think we should draw a pumpkin on top of this ghost's head. Oh, I like his eyebrows. And so let's draw a pumpkin shape. We're gonna draw a big oval right here. We're gonna draw like this, and I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna touch, come back around like this, and connect up at the top. He's got a pumpkin on his head. Oh, I like the shape of your pumpkin. Then let's draw his eyes. We're gonna draw a happy pumpkin. I'm gonna use kind of the same steps we used for our pumpkin and black cat.
Okay.
Draw 2 circles. Then I'm gonna draw smaller circles so that our pumpkin's eyes look shiny. Highlight. And then let's color in the big circle and leave the little circles white. Now let's draw our pumpkin's mouth, and I'm gonna draw him super happy. So I'm gonna draw a line across And then let's draw a big U shape underneath. Oh, yours is really happy. Then I'm going to draw the tongue and color in the top part. Next, let's draw his stem, the stem coming out of the top of our pumpkin. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines coming out of the top. Then we can connect them. Then let's also draw a leaf on the left side. So we'll draw a line, diagonal line.
It's an apple.
It looks like an apple, but we're going to color it orange so it looks like a pumpkin. And then I'm going to draw a curve on the top and a curve on the bottom to finish the leaf. We did it. We finished our pumpkin, and I like the eyelashes. All right, now let's draw 2 more ghosts, one on each side. And we're going to repeat a lot of the same steps, but let's change his face. So let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. I'm going to draw them over here, and they're kind of diagonal. One's a little lower. Then we can. I'm going to draw a number 3 for kissy lips. And then color in the eyes. We also added eyelashes, 3 little lines on each eye. Now let's draw the top of our ghost head. So I'm going to draw a big upside down U. Watch this. We're going to come over here and connect to the pumpkin. Yeah. Now on the left side, let's draw a curve that comes down, but we don't want to draw it too far so that it's about the same height as our other ghost. And then let's draw that S or wavy line that comes over and connects to the pumpkin. Now let's do another face over here. We're going to draw a 3rd ghost on the right side. I'm going to draw this one happy. So I'm going to draw 2 upside down U's for the eyes because they're closed. And then let's draw a happy face or happy smile. And then we're going to repeat the same step. We're going to draw a U shape that goes over the top like this. And it's connected to the pumpkin in the middle. Oh, and yours is really far away, and that's okay. Why don't you just draw a U that's an, oops, sorry, and I drew on your drawing because of, I'm sorry. Okay, then we're going to draw an upside down U, but it doesn't have to connect to your pumpkin.
Okay.
I think it's cool that your drawing looks different than mine because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. All right, now we can draw the body, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes down like this. On yours, you could just draw it however you want. You want to draw 2 lines that come down, and then you can draw that S line that comes around and connects. I'm going to imagine this going behind the pumpkin like that. All right, we did it. I like how he's floating all by himself.
Yeah.
All right, now up here, watch this. I'm going to draw this ghost just coming down like that. And if you want, so that your ghost isn't, yes, you already knew what I was going to say. And then you can imagine it. Oh, Hadley, you did a perfect job. I love that it looks like it's overlapping and it's behind your pumpkin. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our ghosts and our pumpkin. You ready to show our friends?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, boom!
Boo!
I love yours so much. I especially love your pumpkin.
I like your pumpkin.
Oh, thank you. But yours is my favorite. And we also added bats, and we colored the cheeks pink. Now you guys at home can pause the video right now to match the same coloring, or you can use your creativity to color your ghosts and your pumpkin any way you want. You could also add more details, like you could add a black cat. You could also add candy.
Candy.
All kinds of stuff.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your ghosts.
Yeah, and your pumpkin. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Boom. No, it's supposed to be boom.
Boo!
It's a singing ghost.
Boo!